Want to make $300 a day from the comfort of your own home? In this video, we're sharing simple work from home opportunities that can help you achieve your financial goals. From online surveys to freelance work, we'll dive into the best ways to earn a steady income without leaving your house. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, student, or simply looking for a side hustle, these opportunities are perfect for anyone looking to make some extra cash. So, if you're ready to start making money from home, watch until the end to learn more. You can make $300 in just one day using these simple work from home opportunities. The internet is filled with opportunities to make money from the comfort of your own home, and for many people, this concept is incredibly appealing. Who wouldn't want to ditch the daily commute and work in their pajamas? But what if I told you that it's not just a pipe dream, and that with the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve financial freedom and make a substantial income from home? One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to find reliable and legitimate work from home jobs is knowing where to start. There are so many sites and opportunities out there, it can be overwhelming. Plus, there are the scams to worry about. We've all seen those make $10,000 a day ads that just seem too good to be true. And the sad truth is, they usually are. It's heartbreaking to see people get taken advantage of, and it's exactly why it's so important to do your research and be cautious when looking for work from home opportunities. Another challenge people face is getting stuck in the mindset that work from home jobs are either super low paying or require some kind of special degree or skill. While it's true that some opportunities do require specific skills, there are plenty of others that don't. And as for the pay, well, I'm here to tell you that it's entirely possible to make a very comfortable income from home. A lot of people think that making money from home requires some kind of secret sauce or special talent, but the truth is, it just requires a willingness to put in the work and be open to learning. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. The simple work from home opportunities that can realistically help you earn $300 a day. Freelance writing is one of my favorite work from home opportunities. I know some people might think, but I'm not a great writer. Don't worry, you don't have to be a Pulitzer Prize winner to be a successful freelance writer. There are plenty of businesses and websites that need people to write articles, blog posts, and even social media content. And the best part is, you can often set your own rates and choose the projects that interest you the most. Virtual assistants is another opportunity that's worth exploring. As a virtual assistant, you can offer services like email management, calendar organization, and even data entry. The great thing about this opportunity is that you can work with clients from all over the world, and often you can work on your own schedule. Online tutoring is yet another way to make money from home. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor. There are plenty of platforms that can connect you with clients, and you can often set your own rates and schedule. I want to share a personal story with you that really drives home the power of work from home opportunities. I have a friend who was struggling to make ends meet, working multiple jobs just to get by, but she was determined to make a change, so she started taking online courses to improve her skills as a virtual assistant. Fast forward a few months, and she was making more money than she ever had before, all from the comfort of her own home. What I love about my friend's story is that she didn't let fear or doubt hold her back. She saw an opportunity and she went for it. And you know what? You can do the same. Whether it's freelance writing, virtual assistants, or online tutoring, there are so many opportunities out there waiting for you. So, let's recap the work from home opportunities we discussed today. We talked about freelance writing, virtual assistants, and online tutoring, all of which can realistically help you earn $300 a day. I want to reinforce the idea that making money from home is not only possible, but it's also achievable with the right mindset and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you tried any of these work from home opportunities, or do you have a question about getting started? Let me know, and be sure to check out another video on related topics for even more insights. Until next time, like, subscribe, and get notified for more videos on this channel.